hierarchy present in exception handling. So as you know, exception handling is one of the important topic in Java, where we handle the exception or the error. So first of all, we are going to see what is the exception. Okay. So first of all, exception is nothing but an unwanted or abnormal termination of our program due to unwanted changes. Okay. So in that we use try and catch block, where we handle the exception which is coming. So there are two types. Okay, first of all, there are errors and there are exceptions. So error is nothing but the error comes because of the computer, or because of your computer or memory. So there are errors such as stack overflow error, which is occurs when the stack is filled, and there are virtual machine error, there are out of memory error. Okay, whereas exception, it has IOE exception, SQLE exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Okay, so runtime exception consists more exception in it, because it's we can call it as a parent class exception. Okay, so then runtime exception consists of arithmetic exceptions, null pointer exception, then the number format exception, and the index out of bound exception. Okay, so these are some exceptions and these are some classes of exception. So exception has when we have to handle the exception, we use such a keywords like throw, catch, final, finally, throwable. So these are some keywords which we use to handle the exception. Okay, then throwable or is a main class which can we can say throwable is public, or throwable is a parent class of exception handling. Okay, then it consists of exception and errors. As we can see, these are some errors and I have to do some exceptions. Okay, so why we should use exception? Exception makes our code simple and readable. Okay, so whenever any exception or error occurs, we can make it a readable error. Okay, so we can give our what can we say? We can give our line of exception what we want to say for that exception. So that's the exception, hierarchy of exception. Thank you guys.